Hi guys, it's Jamie with Not Too Shabby. I have some Doodlebug products to share with you guys. You could use my coupon code Jamie for 10% off. And if you spend $25 in Doodlebug products, this will pop into your cart. It's a cute little doodle pop. It's called Hot Cocoa. And the candy cane and the little gingerbread have enamel on it. And it's really cute. So it'll pop into your cart if you use the coupon code Jamie. If you're using another code, you won't see the freebies pop into your cart, but you still will qualify for them. So let's share the stamps first. So Doodlebug now has clear stamps, and they're always so cute. So this one features a gingerbread house and some accessories to play with. We've got some cute sentiments. Hello sugar, to and from our house to yours, and you're sweet. And then there's a coordinating die available for that stamp set. And then we have this really cute one. It's called Christmas Magic. Super cute characters with a little Christmas tree and the stocking. The sentiments: I love Santa, ho ho ho, happy holidays, and Merry Christmas. Cute, right? Then we've got the paper pad. So really cute designs, scaled down, perfect for card making. Love their cute little characters and their fun colors. And they always have like little cutouts and stuff, so that's always fun. The odds and ends are super fun to create. All kinds of projects. You can do you can do cards with them, little projects. Let me grab my little Halloween treat ones that I did with the Doodlebug odds and ends. This will give you a little idea. You can use your little odds and ends for. Super cute, huh? Just do a little wrap around. I have a tutorial on these little boxes. I'll have it linked in the description box for you. And there's odds and ends, and there's chit chats. My supplier accidentally left behind my chit chats, so those are in processing. I'm hoping to get those in by Wednesday or Thursday. So if you do place an order that includes the chit chats, just please note your order will be on hold until the chit chats arrive. These are the mini stickers. So you get 2 sheets in here of 2 different designs. We've got some washi tapes. So we've got candy stripe and boughs of holly. Cute doodle pops. These are also fun to create quick cards or make cute little embellishments with. That little house is really cute. The windows, the top layer is popped up, so the background is on the bottom, so it kind of looks 3D looking inside the window. I have a couple of these enamel pins. Cute little elf. There's some jelly clips. Really cute. There's these Christmas tree braddies. So those are brads. And then these are always fun. The shape sprinkles. So you get little gumdrops and gingerbread men. The cute little holly and pine. And then these are the sprinkles, so enamel dots. This one looks like candy. Really pretty colors. So I'll have the link down below to the Doodlebug section. And guess what, guys? I am gearing up to do a design team call for Not Too Shabby. So I plan on adding quite a few designers in the next year. So I'm going to do a design team call. So get ready for that. So if you are interested in joining a design team, I encourage you to apply. I've changed the term, so it's only going to be 2 projects required per month. And to apply for this design team, all you're going to have to do is send me a photo of a card that you created and the links to your social media, short bio, and the reason why you would like to join our team. So it's going to be hopefully an easy process, and I am looking forward to meeting some new designers, and I hope you guys will check that out when the video comes out. So thanks guys for shopping, and I will catch you in the next video. I got some more stamps to share and a couple of cards. Bye guys!